Hey everybody, Matt Mazer, DSM for South Central Saskatchewan. Just going to look at the Seedmaster opener and how we mount the tube in the opener. This particular model happens to have the two placement tubes on the seed opener. We always want to be on these parallel link drills, whether it's a Seedhawk, Seedmaster, if there's a double shank system. We're always in the back shank. That's the one that's set up for us. There is a gap right in here that has been set back on the Seedmaster to slide the blue tube in all the way down to the bottom, and then it is flush with the bottom of these two ears on the opener. So it's flush right there, and that's exactly where the tube is. It's just flush on the bottom. Then we follow it up the air line, tape it. We use usually black electrical tape. Tape it about every 12 to 14 inches. Follow the line, and that keeps it in place pretty well. And it's easy to replace the tape if any happen to fall off or break.